Hey everyone, and welcome to another SEO tutorial. This one is about GIMP, and that's GIMP.org is the actual website where you can download it. And it is a free it's a free image editor that you can go ahead and grab, and it really works well for small businesses, especially ones that are just getting started or on a budget, because again, it is free and it really will rival Photoshop. You can do practically anything that Photoshop wants to do right inside of GIMP. Okay, so let's get started. Today we're going to talk about a simple thing that a lot of businesses need to do when they take a picture of their own, but there's a small imperfection inside of it, and that is use the clone tool, and it's right here. It looks like a stamp. Okay, so we only have one layer today, and we'll keep it simple and use it like that. The brush type that we're going to use is one with a hard center and a soft outside. All right, so how we would do this is first we need to select an area that we want to clone or make a copy of. And the size of this brush is set. You can change that if you want. We've chosen one at 131 so that it will fit right over this bug, and we're going to make a copy of it. All right, so the first thing we need to do is tell the clone tool what the source is, and that is we're going to hold the control key on the keyboard. We're going to press and hold that down. Then we're going to left click on the mouse when we have it in the area we want. When we left click, that tells GIMP, hey, make a copy of this area. Now we'll move the mouse, and we'll go ahead and click and not move the mouse, and we'll click a few times, and that'll bring the clone in. All right, that makes it harder and harder since we're using this type of brush where the center is hard and the outsides, so the more we press it, the more we make a stronger copy. All right, so how about if we want to get rid of that? Well, we do the same thing, except what we do is we need to change the source area. So we're still on the clone tool. We're going to come right next to this little fly, and we're going to again hold and click the control key on the keyboard, and we're going to left click the mouse, and that tells it again, here's the source. Now we're going to move the mouse to where we want to use this source area and where we want it to go. So we're going to left click, and that starts to fill in the area. Okay, and you'll notice that's not perfect, to be perfectly honest, right? If someone wants to really find it, they can see that those veins don't exactly match up, and there are techniques that you can use to get that to look better, but for the purposes today, really, that's going to be fine. If a person is not closely zoomed in, you're going to be able to get away with that. Especially, I'll give you an idea. We will go ahead and zoom out instead of at 100%. Let's say we take that out to 50%. It gets harder and harder to notice that's there. Again, it's not perfect, but it really is a great way to go ahead and either make a copy of it or to remove what's there. All right, I hope this helps. If you would like more helpful tutorials on GIMP or anything else that has to do with SEO, help yourself rank better on Google for small businesses on a great budget, you can come on over to BTFOOM.com, and you can sign up with a membership, and you can also request specific tasks that you need help with for your SEO. Check in the description below for more helpful hints and links. Thanks. Hope this helps.